Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money on Twitch. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a streamer looking to turn your passion into a career or make some extra cash? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to make money on Twitch. From the business of Twitch to growing your channel and engaging with your community. We'll cover everything you need to know to start generating revenue from your streams. First, let's talk about the business of Twitch and the three pillars of Twitch revenue: subscriptions, advertisements, and donations. Subscriptions are paid monthly by viewers and grant access to exclusive emotes, badges, and content. Twitch offers two tiers of subscriptions: $4.99 and $9.99, with the latter providing viewers with additional benefits, such as ad-free viewing and channel customizations like chat colors and animated emotes. Viewers can also support their favorite streamers through donations, which are typically made using PayPal or credit card. Streamers can also receive tips in the form of virtual currency called bits. Bits can be bought by viewers and then used to cheer in a streamer's chat, with each cheer increasing the amount of money the streamer earns per minute. Advertisements are shown during a break in between streams and can take the form of either pre-roll, before the stream starts, or mid-roll, in the middle of the stream. Ad revenue is generated based on how many people view the ad and click on it. The average cost per click for Twitch ads is around $0.80 $1.00. It's important to note that Twitch partners and affiliates are able to generate revenue from all three sources: subscriptions, advertisements, and donations, while non-partnered streamers can only generate revenue from advertisements and donations. Next, let's talk about the Twitch ecosystem and how to grow your channel. Your primary goal should be to grow your channel and build a large audience. To do this, you need to produce high-quality content on a regular basis. Start by deciding what kind of content you want to create, whether it's gameplay or informative and entertaining videos outside of gameplay. Come up with a schedule and stick to it. If you're just starting out, it's important to be consistent with your content and streaming schedule. Try to stream at least 3 to 4 times per week for at least 2 hours each time. As your channel grows, you can start streaming more often. To grow your viewership, make sure to produce high-quality content with a good microphone and webcam. Invest in some basic video editing software, and use social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit to promote your streams and videos. Also, reach out to other popular streamers in your niche and collaborate with them. This will help introduce your channel to their audience and grow your viewership significantly. Finally, engaging with your community is one of the most important aspects of growing your Twitch channel. By interacting with viewers regularly, you'll be able to build strong relationships with them. which will keep them coming back for more content in the future. Engaging with your community will also help new viewers feel welcome and encourage them to become regular viewers. Respond to comments and messages, and consider hosting Q&A sessions or other interactive events. Another way to engage with your community is through sponsorships. Sponsorships are a great way to monetize your channel. But it also gives you a chance to interact with your audience and create content that they will enjoy. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money on Twitch. From the business of Twitch to growing your channel and engaging with your community. We've covered everything you need to know to start generating revenue from your streams. Remember, to be successful on Twitch, you need to produce high-quality content, market your channel effectively, and engage with your community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.